With a good action camera, you get some unbelievable footage, but there are a lot of new ones all claiming to be the best. So in this video, we're looking at the top 5 best action cameras to find the best one that suits you. Now the only issue is, the best action camera for one person might not be the same for someone else, because they're not made with the same people in mind. So, I'll have different options for different people. Keep in mind that all the links to find the best prices on all of the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. First up, I have the DJI Osmo Action 4. This is my choice for the best action camera for most people. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is the perfect all-around action camera, which is why it stood for me as the best option for most people. Now, I took into consideration the price, functionality, and capabilities compared to other cameras on the market, all while also considering the needs of most people when it comes to using an action camera. And for that reason, it is a perfect option for the average person who isn't looking to spend an arm and a leg, but who wants quality and longevity. Compared to its newer model, the DJI Osmo Action 5, it's really the same size, and in terms of video quality, low light performance, stabilization, and overall performance, most people aren't going to notice much of a difference in video quality. Now, professional videographers, they might notice some differences. They may find the camera doesn't really hold up to their standards, as it doesn't really produce the highest quality compared to other cameras on my list. With that being said, the DJI Osmo Action 4 can shoot crystal clear videos with a 4K maximum resolution, which is the same as the Action Pro 5 model. And with the right settings, there's hardly any difference in the quality of footage in both videos and photos. For most people, the DJI Action Pro 4 should be more than capable of handling your needs. There are also a lot of new cool little features like being able to connect a mic via Bluetooth. Now it's lightweight, small enough to fit in your pocket or mount to your clothes, it does not get too hot, and the camera quality is a lot better than you'd expect. All around, this is a real solid action camera the average person is going to love, and it's gonna last you a long time. Next up, I've got the GoPro Hero 12. Now, it has the ability to light shadowed areas and is super useful in dark underwater footage. It's got an awesome dynamic range, which is also a beautiful feature for capturing clearer skin tones and environmental details that can really bring life to your video. It records at a resolution of 5.3K, which is going to give you a sharper, more vibrant picture than the DJI Osmo Action 4. It also gives you way more flexibility when editing your videos. It works wonderfully when used in a ton of different recording terrains and under all sorts of weather conditions. And that's due to its solid stabilization features, which include an auto boost feature that will zoom in and out slightly to get tighter stabilization when you need it. This comes in handy for, let's say, high-speed driving, motocross, skiing, snowboarding, or whatever other adventure you may find yourself on. Now, to be fair, it's not the newest model from GoPro, but based on that you save about $100 for a similar product, it's pretty worth it. Now, similar to the Action 4, it's small, lightweight, very user-friendly, perfect for a beginner or a second camera. It's not going to blow you away with its video quality, but it is just a perfect product to have with you if you're going for a swim or going to the cottage. Beyond that, GoPro is a trusted brand name in the action camera industry. That is going to be popping up again later on our list because, honestly, they're just known for consistently creating quality cameras and accessories. Next on my list is the DJI Action Pro 5. This is my choice for the best action camera for vloggers. The DJI Action Pro 5 is the newer big brother to the Action Pro 4 that I mentioned earlier this video. Now, it has improved capabilities, which make it way more suitable for someone who needs a camera for vlogging or just wants higher-end footage. Now, this camera boasts incredible stabilization with its Horizon Steady tech. It shoots silky smooth 4K video at 120 frames per second for absolute slow motion awesomeness. And it also has a crazy long battery life. Plus, the front-facing touchscreen makes capturing those perfect selfie shots a breeze. This is why it's my pick for the best action camera for vloggers. Probably the biggest difference in the Action Pro 5 compared to the Action Pro 4 is the new next-generation sensor, which gives users expanded dynamic range. The overall brightness and video quality is more balanced because of the improved dynamic range, something that gave it extra points compared to its predecessor. Another new feature of the Action Pro 5 is the ability to display in color recovery mode when shooting in log mode. Your results will still look the same, but can be changed in post-production once you color grade your recording. So, it's nice to get a preview of how your recording will look after editing. The DJI Action Pro 5 has a horizon steady stabilization, which makes it easy to capture smooth, professional-looking footage even during the most intense action. Horizon steady is a feature that locks the horizon so your shots are always level, no matter how much you move the camera. Whether you're mountain biking, surfing, or simply walking around town, the Action Pro 5 will capture your adventures in stunning detail, and for those reasons, it comes in at number 3 on my list. And if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops. So if you want to find the most updated information, check out the description. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and also subscribing. Next up, I've got the GoPro Hero 13. This is my choice for the best overall standard action camera. The Hero 13 has really good motion stability, great 5.3K resolution, and incredible low light performance, which is what makes it still one of the best action cameras that you can buy. Boasting an impressive frame rate of up to 240 frames per second when using slow motion and providing better in-camera noise reduction than its previous model, the GoPro Hero 13 also saw the return of a GPS system to its arsenal, a neat feature that is both convenient and user-friendly. Another new feature of this camera has to do with the Hero's new HB series accessories lenses. The cool thing about these lenses is that when you pop them on your camera, the camera will automatically adjust its setting accordingly, creating a better user experience since you don't have to mess around with any settings. I chose it as the best overall standard action camera, not just because it is the latest GoPro Hero model, but because GoPro is aware of what their consumers want. A company that doesn't charge extra for a bunch of fancy bells and whistles. This is why they have kept their prices consistently around the same mark for all new model releases. For everything the GoPro Hero 13 provides, it is truly at the top of its class. Next up, I've got the Insta360 X4. Now, if you didn't consider a 360-degree camera before, just listen for a minute because you're going to be surprised. This is the ultimate 360-degree action camera, and it has the ability to do everything these other action cameras can do while recording from every conceivable angle. One of the things that stands out the most about the Insta360 X4 is that it is extremely easy to use. So, if you are unfamiliar with how to use a 360 camera, this is where you will want to start. The big, beautiful touchscreen is so nice for changing settings, and for the first time ever, you can record 8K videos with 5.7K resolution at 60 frames per second, twice as many frame rates of the previous model, bumping up the overall video quality, which was always lacking in 360-degree cameras compared to traditional action cameras. The Insta360 X4 has an infused AI technology with its new AI chip. Now, I could do a whole video of all the things this chip can do, the most impressive of which is instant editing. The AI chip is able to edit pics and videos to your preference based on your prior usage, such as creating time lapses and activating stabilization features. The Insta360 X4 is a fantastic choice for those who are looking for a well-rounded 360-degree action camera. From its user-friendly controls to its AI chip and its stabilization features, the Insta360 X4 would be a great choice for both professionals and beginners alike. And if you guys like this video or even learned something, please go ahead and give it a like. And be sure to check out the description to find the links for the most up-to-date pricing on all of the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.